Hey guys, it's Courtney from Yellow Daisy. Welcome back to our channel. And if it's your first time here, welcome. So last week I participated in the Closet Clean Out Challenge hosted by Heidi Sambal and Casa Magnolia. I mentioned in that video that I had just recently updated our pantry door. So today in my video, I'm going to show you exactly how we did it. A few videos back, my mom and I went hunting for thrifted items. We went to a bunch of different flea market style places, and we ended up finding this awesome screen door. Very old, very vintage, beautiful, in great condition. It just needed some love, a little TLC. So I decided that I wanted my pantry door to be a screen door. I thought that it would bring that farmhouse feel, and I just love the way that it turned out. So come along with me as we transform this old vintage screen door to my new pantry door. So first I just started off sanding down the door. Got it in all the little crevices and made sure that I got all the extra loose paint off. Was a little bit too big for our door frame, so we had to cut it down to size. Then I started pulling all the staples out of the door while Brian was finishing cutting the door down to the size that we needed it. For some reason we couldn't get this door just right, so we had to call in reinforcements. My dad. We actually were able to use the planer that Brian's granddaddy had, and my dad was really excited to use it because he typically uses an electric one. started painting the door. I first went in with a primer and just painted the whole door, and I did that twice so that I can get a good base coat. And then I started painting it with color over top. I ended up going with the same bright fun color that I used outside on our shutters and front door, which was Olympic One Satin in Lake Breeze. Then we went ahead and rolled out all of the screen. We got all of our screening stuff from Walmart and spent about $15 on it. It really isn't a hard thing to do. You just need two people. One person to hold the screen tight while the other person rolls in what they call the spline. Then Brian cut off all the excess screening and I just rolled it one more time to make sure it was in really good. Then we just grabbed all the accent pieces and tacked them back in place. Now it's time to put it up. We already had this pretty glass doorknob, and I love the way that it finished off this door. And here it is, all finished. I hope you enjoyed this video and it has helped you to think outside of the box. With this project, I wanted some charm and something a little unexpected, and I think I did that. What do you think? So when doing DIY projects, be sure to look outside of the box. I hope that if you like doing DIY projects, this has inspired you to use something in an unusual way. Leave me a comment below if you are currently working on a DIY. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check out the videos that I mentioned during this video. They'll be linked below. Thanks for stopping by. See you again soon.